All right, we're on step 4 of Mastery Manager Fun. We're going to actually talk about how to print off your forms to use for your assessment. Notice here how I actually messed around with it. I printed forms. Once you print forms, you cannot go back and change everything. So step 1, just click on Forms right here.
Hello.
I marked step 2. I'm going to make sure I have all my students. The semester doesn't matter because I didn't assign it previously. This is what the students will see. So every other question, print on both sides, teacher name. I personally like to shade every other question so they can see it. I actually like to print a blank answer key just in case the student's not assigned to my class. So I'll print one of those. How I want to print my bubbles, self-consolidated, all those kinds of things right there are easy to use. I want to print forms for me to use. I actually want to put in grades myself. For example, on the rubric. So if I want to print forms to grade, this will actually give me a preview of the rubric to use as well too. Notice how once I click that, I cannot print a blank answer key. I don't know why, but once I hit that button, I cannot print a blank answer key. So I'm going to generate forms to preview, or actually generate forms to print. And pay attention to these settings right here. These are very important when you're actually printing off your Scantrons. If you don't print these off correctly, you will not be able to scan your Scantrons. So download the PDF, open it up here. Notice how I have Annie Abel's already filled in for me, her multiple choice questions. The performance event, she will write her essay over here. And then when she's done, I will grade it over here. Notice how it's not that user-friendly right here. That's why I think it's actually easier to grade them online. So this is A, if she was absent or not that day. Argument, development, evidence, and language from her rubric. I'm going to go ahead and print this form. Unclick fit to page. If you do not unclick that, it'll mess up this little QR code right here, which is what Mastery Manager uses to actually scan your assessments. So unclick that. Make sure that everything else is unclicked as well too. Get out of there. I suggest you print to the copy room because sometimes the printers throughout the building are not that clean. So if you print to somewhere, then you go to try to scan your form, it doesn't work, you're going to be out of luck. So always change that to the copy room. Then just hit print and you're good to go.